was supposed to record this yesterday, but I forgot to bring my mic with me, so here we are. I went into the city yesterday with my camera for the first time in 2 months and took a ton of street photos. Boy, the rain's getting heavy now. Took a ton of street photos in the rain. I got drenched. It was great. Here's a bit of a POV for you. Hope you enjoy. Now, I might not be as talkative as what I'd normally be, especially in the first half of this video. It's mostly just because adjusting to a city environment when you haven't been there for 2 months while recording a POV video, it's a bit different, you know. So apologies for that, but it's a pretty laid back video for the most part, but there are some awesome shots, I can guarantee that. Just wait and see.
It has been so long since I've been in the city, and it's raining today. Can make for some particularly fun shots. It's been so long since I've used the camera for the street. The reflections. And we got a shot here with this wall. Decorative. Come on, do something. Fuck, it's raining. Come on, focus, Chris. Classic mirror shot, but looks better with an 85mm, to be honest. Currently rocking the 35 because, I don't know, it's been a while and it makes for nice street shots, but it's a bit too wide if you want to get, you know, bokeh shots and stuff like that. I'm so indecisive at the moment. Now this lens better actually be alright to use in the rain. That's sort of a shit thing to say retrospectively, huh? We'll find out soon enough. Also, if you like Japanese food, Don Don's, great place. Really cheap, really good. Highly recommend. This car's gonna get annoyed at me. Nah, overexposed. This time, instead of using full manual, I'm actually using aperture priority. It's because it's a lot easier to then get full frames without having to go to the hassle of adjusting every setting to perfection. Damn it. Rain makes it hard to compose a shot without, you know, kneeling into a puddle of water. Move the focus style up. Alright. Did you really? We should be good. Alright. This is it, take two. I was sick of 35. Oh, haven't buttoned up my jacket. I was sick of 35mm because having done nothing but, like, you know, macro photography or photos of things that are pretty still and predictable, you know, going back to street, it's been really difficult to get that perfect composition, that's the word. It's been really difficult to get the perfect composition of what I want, because 35mm obviously includes a lot more elements than, you know, an 85mm, because one's a lot wider. So yeah, this is take two. I'm gonna try and get some photos of people with umbrellas and some tram shots, you know, whatever works. It'd be great if I could get, actually no, those reflections are great there as it is, so all I need is somebody with an umbrella to walk by, and I should be able to get a really nice shot. It's a matter of waiting for that to happen, and I guarantee it will happen at the time I least expect it. So, in saying that, wish me luck. I'm going to use a slightly higher angle because that way I actually get more reflections going. I don't like these, so I'm going to move a bit forward. And now it's just a waiting game. Okay, there you go. And two people. I missed it. I need somebody with a, like, colourful umbrella to go by. Cool. That's really cool. not even on. That's actually sick. That's some bad shots. Not with the garbage truck.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. You want to see the photos? Yeah.
Oh wow.
They look pretty sick, huh?
Yeah.
And just like that, things happen. Cool. Just taking photos of the umbrella, it looks sick. You got a nice outfit as well. Just for good measure, had to get another one, and that one's even better. Now I took a photo like this with 100 to 400 a while back, but I don't really know if... I don't think I'll be able to recreate it because there were 2 trains and it doesn't look like there isn't any trains running. But, you know, if I could get close it would be cool. Going back to aperture priority. Most train drivers tend to notice. She didn't. Not that it really matters. I like the contrast that the wipers bring. It looks pretty nice. Aperture priority can be a bit annoying. Oh wait, it's EV. That's all I need to do. If I just underexposed shit, then we're good. Come on. Clear subject, clear subject. That's cool. Car had to ruin it, but that's cool. Did I get that or didn't? That's a cool shot as well. I want to try something different there. I wanted to go a bit lower. Come on, brother. I want to go a bit lower because you usually see the top of the umbrellas, but seeing the underside can also be interesting. And the guy was holding it up pretty high. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good either. That's a cool shot. And no, we've got pizza is life. Pizza is life. I agree. It's been so long though. I'm falling into the wall. That could make a cool moody shot. I don't know. It's just about experimenting. I'm gonna take a photo of those two guys, but I need to like get my settings set correctly at the moment. Because right now I think it'll be a bit too much. That's cool. Yeah. Okay, I better shut the wrists. Just a matter of not getting this blue car. Come on. You beeping? Oh, that's a killer. That's actually a killer. And that was just spur of the moment. I just saw the tram and I knew I needed to take a photo. Such a cool place to take photos here. As long as I don't get run over. If I get run over taking photos, that will be sad, but also probably the way I want to go. Oh, that actually is mad as well. Good shot. Whether I get one is another question. Oh wait, oh wait. Isn't ready. Needs to be a bit more of an angle like that. What happens with pigeons? Seagulls and pigeons, I guess. It's a cool photo though. Man. And we have the histogram up as well. That's playing a dangerous game, not having it here. Yeah, it's about there. Come on. Please. Beautiful. That's nice. And it's somebody who stands out as well. They've got, you know, colourful clothes on. Can't wait till October. Well, end of October, and then November will be even better, and then December will be even better. Double evens. And two evens make an even, so checkmate. Okay, I think the water's seeping through. This jacket's not so waterproof. I feel it. My body is starting to get colder, so I'll have to finish up soon before I freeze to death, because that's the last thing anyone wants. I need a person. Any volunteers? Looks like we've got a volunteer. Yeah, whatever. My knees, I'm kneeling now. That's the state we're in. Actually, it's Melbourne. God, that's depressing. Okay, I think I got the perfect shot before. That, because the line leads you to it.
Really? Yeah.
Damn it. You're doing street photography?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's been really cool. I've actually met people today. And it's not really okay, granted, you always meet people when you're out doing street photography if you just look hard enough, but this time around it's been easier because there are less people in the city. And when there's less people in the city, you'll notice who's got a camera and who doesn't a lot easier. That's the shot, that's the shot. Oh yeah. Now that's a banger. Come on, man.
So that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It took me ages to edit. It was a big project, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. And normally this is where people would plug their presets. I don't really have anything like that, but if you do like what I've done, if you want to see more stuff like it, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below what your favorite shot was. I'd really like to hear that, and let me know what you think I should do next. Also subscribe if I didn't say that, because obviously